So we're here in Anypoint Code Builder. Here we have our Mule application open. And I already have my global configurations open. Here is my Agentforce configuration. I can right click on it and show it from the UI. And I am connecting using OAuth client credentials with a client ID and client secret that is coming from Salesforce, as well as the token URL that is coming from Salesforce. So I can close that. And now we can head to the secure properties. So here I have my Salesforce domain, client ID, and client secret, and our token URL, which is formed from the Salesforce domain /services/auth2/token. Then here we have all of our flows. In this case, because it's a pretty simple operation, we just have the start, the continue, and the end. And we are pretty much connecting to an agent in Agentforce. So for example, here we have the start Agentforce conversation. Here we will see the configuration that we had from the global, the agent list, which is the agent that I have in my Agentforce configuration in Salesforce. And if I take a look at the continue, it's very similar, just here we're sending a message in the payload, a session ID that is coming from the query parameters in our case, and a sequence number that is coming also from the query parameters. So finally, for the last flow, the end flow, we are just gonna be requiring a session ID. So we have the query parameters session ID. So now let's take a look at how this actually works. So right now we don't have anything in body because this is just a get to get everything. We have the session ID. This session ID is going to be stored in my Postman variables. So now if we come here to the continue, we can see that the session ID is here. Our sequence number in this case is going to be 1. And we're just going to be asking what's the capital of Canada. So right now I'm receiving a response. And my response, whoops, well, it cannot always work. We receive the capital of Canada is Ottawa. So we can keep changing the sequence number if we want to change something, if we want to send something different, and we will receive another response. So this is connecting to our agent in Salesforce. And once we are done, we can simply send the same session ID. And this is going to say session ended.